Hello guys, welcome once again. Today we are going to be making another homemade food soup. This is Egusi soup. It's a very common soup in Africa, in Nigeria. So I'm going to be making Egusi soup my own way. I have is, of course, the Egusi. This is Egusi on melon. I have already grinded it. Bitter leaf, onubu. This is bitter leaf or onubu. I've already washed it. It's no longer so bitter. I also have my mgbe. Yes, for those who have visited me in my house, you will know that I don't play with this. I love mgbe so much. I use it in almost all my soups. Yes, I just like it. I've already degutted it. I've washed properly. I explained how you could wash it properly in my video. I think that is the okra soup. Yes, if you have watched my video on how I make my okra soup, you will understand what I mean. This is shombo. The Yorubas call it shombo. This is red chilli. The land snail here, or ejula. The Igbos call it ejula. Few pieces of gizzard over there. Here I have stockfish. Yes, people will be wondering, why do we add all this protein just in one food? Yes, that is Africa for you. We love variety of proteins just in one soup. I think that is a very unique thing about Africans, about Nigerians. So I have stockfish. I've already soaked it. It's almost very soft. My chicken here, I love to use chicken a lot. I prefer chicken to beef, although sometimes I use beef too. My white onion already cut into bits. About 3 spoonfuls of crayfish. I've already cleaned it up. And here I have some uziza seed. If you're Igbo, you will know about this seed. It gives egusi soup and also some other soup a very nice aroma. So I like to add it in my egusi. I'm going to be grinding it with the crayfish. So I'm going to be adding the already soaked stockfish. Because it's quite soft, I'm going to be adding other things as well together with it, because I'm not going to cook it for a long time because it's already soft. I'll add the chicken. I'll add half of the already cut onion. I'll add the mgbe or sea snail. I'll add the red chilli or shombo. And then I'm going to be adding one stock cube or seasoning cube, depends on what you want to use. I don't have nor right now, so I'm using this. I like to cut it into bits because it's oil based, so it will need heat to melt. I wouldn't want it to go to just one side. Then I will light up the gas. So it's been cooking for about 3 minutes right now. If you notice, I didn't add any salt. I didn't, because I marinated the chicken with salt. And remember, the stockfish is also salty. So right now we're going to be checking for salt. Okay, we're going to be adding salt right now. Just going to add a little salt as you go. And you stir. I'm going to be adding, this is crayfish and uziza seed blended together. Also going to stir. Please, when adding uziza seed, be mindful of the quantity you're going to add because it's also spicy. I think I'll add extra little salt. Just this. It's better to add little at a go than adding too much, and at the end of the day, the soup will be so salty. So we are allowed to boil for another 5 to 7 minutes. So right now I'm going to be mixing the egusi. I'm going to be adding water to it and the remaining onion that we had. So I'm going to be adding a little water to it just to get the texture that I want. Just be mindful of the quantity you add as you go so that it will not be watery and it will not be too thick. a little thick, so I'm going to be adding a little extra water. I don't want it too thick and I don't want it too soft. It's still thick, so extra water. It's still a little thick. Just keep adding water till you get the consistency that you're looking for. Once you can stir freely, then be sure that you're good to go. Yes, that is exactly what I'm looking for. Yes, we are good to go. So this is our meat, our chicken, stockfish and everything boiling for about 10 minutes. So I think we are good to go. We're going to take it down right away. But I'm not going to add all the egusi because I want some balls, so definitely I'll keep the one I will use in making balls. So look at what I'm keeping to make my balls. Just allow the egusi to soak up the whole red oil. So now the egusi has soaked up almost all the oil, so we'll start adding our water. Just then after that, I want to add my balls because I still need some balls in the soup. So the soup is very much boiling. So you just give a gentle stir because you don't want to crush the balls. I don't want to crush the balls. I love them. So at this particular time, I'm going to add the bitter leaf, the onubu. And then I cover. Yeah, if you notice, I did not turn the soup. I didn't stir it after adding the bitter leaf. So we're going to turn now. Are you seeing what I saw? Are you seeing what I am seeing? Who is coming to my house right away? Address in the description box. Who is coming? So I'm going to be adding all the proteins. Turning it, please. Who is coming to my house? I'm serious about it. If you're coming, the address is in the description box. Just come and enjoy this with us. So we're going to be putting all the that.